Task number 2 in the Ready to Go Orienteer and Resource Pack is counting cones. I've set it up here out in the yard as per the all controls map. Now this task is all about map orientation, keeping the map lined up with the surroundings that we have and visiting the controls in numerical order. So when I have it set up like this, there's a specific number on each cone. They'll have to add up the numbers that they meet to come up with an answer. When they come back, then at least we have the answers printed out and beside us. So to start with, we're going to give a little demonstration. So the demonstration is us here. We're going to be starting at the one marked with the triangle. We add up the numbers on each of the numbered cones on our map, and then we finish off at the double circles. So we're going to give map number 1 a go. So we're going to just here, I'm at the start. I'm going to keep the map orientated. I'm going to head towards control number 1, which is over that way. So I keep the map orientated, don't turn it at all. And control number 1. Number 2 is keeping the map orientated. Control 2 is that way. And keeping the map orientated. Control 3 is that way. Again, keeping the map orientated, control 4 over there. Again, keeping the map orientated all the time. That way for 5. And then that way till we finish. So to summarise in counting cones, it's all about map orientation, keeping the map lined up with our surroundings. We set it up as per the all controls map in the resource pack, and then we've got a number of different maps then that we can hand out to each team of students. They just add up the numbers in each control, come back and tell us the answers. We have a couple of variations in it. We can maybe do multiplication, we could do division with the numbers instead if we like. We can spread them out further and maybe do a timed run. But what I'll do now is I'll just show you a slightly different version, a little more complicated maybe. So I've set up a slightly different version of counting cones. This one is a 4x4 grid instead. And what I've done is I've put a letter on each cone instead. So we give each team, we give them a course map. And we also give them a piece of paper and a pencil so they can write down the letters. Now in the first couple of courses, the word is spelt out as they move to each cone, but in the later courses then we have the letters jumbled up, but each of the words corresponds to an orienteering term or maybe something that's out of the map legend.